Hi guys, so today we will learn the states and the capitals of India in an interesting way. This is the outline of the India map. This is the north, this is the south, this is the west, this is the east. Let's start with the northern side of India. This is Ladakh. It is a union territory. Its capital is Leh. This is Jammu and Kashmir. It is also a union territory. Its capital is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. This is Himachal Pradesh. Its capital is Shimla. This is Uttarakhand. And its capital is Dehradun. This is Punjab. And this is Haryana. Both of their capital is Chandigarh. Is Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. And you see this D here? This is Delhi. And its capital is New Delhi. Is Rajasthan. And its capital is Jaipur. This is Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. Assam. You see this ML here? This is Meghalaya. You see this TR here? This is Tripura. Assam's capital is Dispur. And Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Tripura's capital is Agartala. West Bengal. You see this SK here? This is Sikkim. West Bengal's capital is Kolkata. And Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. Bihar's capital is Patna. Jharkhand. Jharkhand's capital is Ranchi. Madhya Pradesh. Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. This is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Nagaland. MN is Manipur. MZ is Mizoram. This is supposed to be here. For Nagaland, it is Kohima. For Manipur, it is Imphal. For Mizoram, it is Aswal. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh's capital is Raipur. Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. Next is Maharashtra. Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Amravati. Next is Telangana. Its capital is Hyderabad. Next is Karnataka. Its capital is Bengaluru. You see this G here? It is Goa. Its capital is Panaji. It's Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. Is Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. You see this? Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Its capital is Silvassa. It is a union territory. This is Lakshadweep Islands. It is a union territory and its capital is Kavarati. This is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Its capital is Port Blair. This is Puducherry. It is a union territory and its capital is also Puducherry. This is Daman and Diu. Its capital is Daman. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Let's do a quick recap. Andhra Pradesh's capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh's capital is Itanagar. Assam's capital is Dispur. Bihar's capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh's capital is Raipur. Goa's capital is Panaji. Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana's capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh's capital is Shimla. Jharkhand's capital is Ranchi. Karnataka's capital is Bengaluru. Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh's capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Manipur's capital is Imphal. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Mizoram's capital is Aizawl. Nagaland's capital is Kohima. Odisha's capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab's capital is Chandigarh. Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur. Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai. Telangana's capital is Hyderabad. Tripura's capital is Agartala. Uttarakhind's capital is Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh's capital is Lucknow. West Bengal's capital is Kolkata. Let's start with Union Territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands' capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh's capital is Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli's capital is Silvassa. The Daman and Diu's capital is Daman. Jammu and Kashmir's capital is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Ladakh's capital is Leh. Lakshadweep Island's capital is Karavati. Puducherry's capital is Puducherry. Delhi's capital is New Delhi. And India's capital is Delhi. Hope you guys enjoyed learning capitals with me of India. Bye. I'm going to go in my tent house now.